Hello. Do you know that you cannot have um, an excess of clutter and feel good? In fact, a lot of people have so much stuff because they equate it with success or wealth. And the truth is, truly wealthy people don't have a pile of clutter in their home. They have specific things that they love, need, and use. Now, not all wealthy people, but the majority. And I want you to understand that when you have clutter, it is such a negative feeling, and a lot of times people keep clutter because of fear of not having enough. And I want you to know that you can never have a pile of clutter and feel good. It never feels good. So let's get rid of some extra things, because when you have clutter, you are never clutter rich. Make it a great day.